Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the use of ammeter and voltmeter in electric circuits. So ammeter measures current and the symbol is A with two terminals. Voltmeter measures voltage or potential difference between the 2 points in electric circuit. This ammeter has zero resistance, ideally zero resistance. It may be having some resistance, but that is very low. So let's consider it's having zero resistance. And voltmeter is just opposite to ammeter. It's having infinite resistance, or you can say very high resistance. So if you connect this voltmeter in series, your circuit will not allow any current to flow, because the resistance is very high or infinite. And if you connect this ammeter in parallel to a resistor or a bulb, then it will short that bulb or resistor, and there will be no use of that bulb or resistor. Bulb will not glow, because all the current will pass through this ammeter. So the proper use of this ammeter and voltmeter is required in a circuit. Here, imagine this is a lamp. And I will leave a gap with just a circle. Here is a switch with a power supply, and there is a resistor R. So a lamp, a resistor R, and this is empty. I want to measure two things. One is voltage by using the voltmeter and current by using ammeter. So where should I connect this voltmeter and ammeter? So you must be having some understanding that one is connected in parallel and another one is connected in series. So let's imagine that I want to measure the voltage and current which is across and through the lamp. So here I will connect another device. You have to guess which one is ammeter and which one is voltmeter in this. So if we want to measure the voltage across this lamp, then we have to connect the voltmeter in parallel. And if we want to measure the current in this circuit or current through this lamp, then we have to connect ammeter in series. So we can see from here that ammeter is always connected in series and voltmeter is connected across the component, I mean electrical component, where we are measuring the voltage, and it's always in parallel. Imagine you want to measure the voltage across this resistor, then how you will connect the voltmeter here? You will connect the voltmeter parallel to this resistor. Let's take another circuit. So imagine we have two lamps, something like this, and another lamp here. this one is connected with a switch and a power supply, you can say cell or a battery. This is lamp A, B, C. Now I want to measure voltage across B and current through lamp A. So where will you connect the ammeter and where will you connect the voltmeter? So my question was, we want to measure voltage across B and current through A. So what should be the position of ammeter and voltmeter? Have you guessed this? So let me draw that voltmeter and ammeter here. So because we are measuring voltage across B, the voltmeter should be connected parallel to this lamp B. And we have to measure current through A. And current can be measured by ammeter. So we will connect ammeter in series with A. So ammeter should be connected somewhere here. What if I connect this ammeter here? It means in the main circuit. Will it give me the right value of current passing through A? Think about this question. It's quite interesting. You will understand these circuits better and you will use these circuits and voltmeter and ammeter better in future. Hit like, subscribe button if you like the video.